Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset network settings on XIAOMI 15T. First of all, you have to open settings, then go to more connectivity options right here, and then scroll down to reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth option. Tap on it. Once you reset your Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth, you'll have to reconnect to all of the Wi-Fi networks once again, entering the password once again. You'll have to repair all the Bluetooth devices, and also your mobile data will be reset, which will also affect some of your preferences about mobile data. Once you're ready, select Reset Settings, then confirm by drawing your pattern or entering your password, and click OK. And once you see this notification, your network settings were successfully reset. At this point, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.